be the light of the party this Christmas. So, in my previous episodes, I shared with viewers about skincare tips using the SEA principle of sun protection, exfoliation and antioxidants to give yourself a smoother, nicer skin. So today I'm going to share with you an overview about skin in the various layers and how you can apply that to your face. So now let us look at a skin diagram. As we age, 4 Ds happen to your face. Damage, photo damage, deflation, loss of volume in your temples, your cheeks, muscle hypertrophy from jaw movement and eating, chin, Asians tend to have a receding chin, lack of chin support. So you have your deflation, your damage, disproportion, unequal cheek volume, and finally the sand. So sagginess of the skin causing the skin to come down, forming jowls. So that's a skin layer. Next, around the eyes, your crow's feet, your frown lines. Beauty is around the eyes of the beholder, so lightening these lines will give you a more fashion appearance. Finally, around the nose and the mouth, marionette lines here and your glove lines. Furthermore, Asians tend to have a lighter nose bridge and a non-pointed tip. So these are things you can do about them. So in the skin tightening, using Thermage and Altera to give you a more toned skin, like going to the gym. So volume loss from the cheeks, from the temples, using fillers, so second layer of the skin. Final layer, the muscle layer, using Botox to soften the lines while still maintaining your natural look. So in general, remember the global approach, apply it to the face, looking at the outer circle, looking at the oval around the eyes, looking at the triangle from the nose to the mouth, remembering the different kinds of techniques that can work, and be the light of the party this Christmas. You can be bold and beautiful too. Hope this has been helpful.